let's learn to draw a bird. Hello friends! Welcome to Kids Academy. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a cute bird. Are you ready? Grab your paper, pencils, and colors, and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Academy and hit the notification bell. Great job, friends! Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. If you had fun today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Kids Academy for more fun drawing lessons. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.